Okay guys, what's up? It's gonna be another V8 update video. We're going to Tim's house. Well, I'm going to Jiffy Lube to pick up Nick, and then we're gonna go to Tim's house after we get a part from Nick's house so that we can measure the space that would be the drive shaft, so that they can take those measurements to the shop that's going to be making the drive shaft for Nick. And yeah, so I'm going to embarrass Nick when we get there.
Still doing regular?
Yeah. Look at this bitch pumping my gas. Ho.
Suck my ass.
I told you guys we were going to put it back in.
I know there were like 14.
Tim put it back in. I had absolutely nothing to do with it. Fuck. Hey man,
How's it going?
alright, how you doing?
I'm pretty good.
What's up? Tim made this cross member because he's a wizard. Tim's a wizard.
What's a lizard?
Okay. So Tim tack welded the mounts in, and they're pretty much ready to be permanently welded in. Tim moved that back. You guys saw the cross member measurements for the drive shaft. And it's coming back out so Tim can weld the plates for the mounts in and paint stuff so it doesn't rust. What the
Is there a problem? Repair?
Oh yeah, and Tim made these like radiator mounts that I really like. I don't know why. I'll just take the one. I only need one.
Yeah, we're gonna make a sticker that says Tim's.
Nick, these don't really make sense with that.
No. Why?
Nick thinks he's going back to rotary, but
Little does he.
he's not.
Well, he could, but he'd have to keep the Chevy radiator in it. Because there's no stock radiator now stuff. You didn't notice that.
Yes, I did notice. Harry sent me a video of you cutting them in slow-mo while I was in agony pain while I was watching that shit.
What's that smell? It smells like new brake rotors. That was literally not even 10 minutes.
Alright, now swing it under the car.
Do what you're gonna do, Tim. They love it when you do what you do.
Yeah, baby. I love it when you do what you do.
That's the other part of the radiator mounts. Alright guys, so that's pretty much going to be it for today. I'll tell you guys what's going to happen tomorrow when we get to where we're going, I guess. You want to tell them what Tim's got to do tomorrow with all the LT1 stuff?
It's about to get the drive shafts and flanges for the exhaust. I'm tired of shit though. But yeah, so the shit's getting close to being done. Yeah.
So we're at McDonald's. This is going to be the end of this video, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Hopefully Nick's car will be brapping, but not brapping anymore.